Taiwan was highly successful in fighting COVID-19 in the early days of the pandemic, without imposing a full lockdown. By distributing its masks around the world, its slogan of Taiwancanhelp reflected a proud technocratic vision that succeeded in stopping the virus on its tracks. The government had touted its success in combating the virus.
以现在的情况，应该是说世界怎么跟得上台湾？世界怎么跟得上台湾？
How the world keeps up with Taiwan. His Health Minister Chen Shih-chung spoke in Parliament on February 26, 2021. However, after successfully keeping coronavirus at bay, Taiwan is currently in the grip of its first serious outbreak, and daily numbers went from dozens to hundreds in less than a week. The problem began when Taiwan CDC announced that the quarantine length for non-vaccinated flight crew members will be reduced from 5 days to just 3 days, followed by 11 days of self-health monitoring. Things began to unravel when an outbreak emerged in April 2021, at the Novotel Airport Hotel, at Taiwan International Airport, which had been used to house quarantining crew members. The quarantine hotel violated regulations for putting the crew members under quarantine with regular guests in the same building, and this caused another infection cluster. A further cluster was detected in Luzhou District in New Taipei City, involving members of the Lions Club International Organization. The virus eventually spread to the tea houses in the red light district of Taipei's Wanhua neighborhood. The majority of recent COVID-19 cases reported in Taiwan are the virus variant B.1.1.7 first found in the UK, which scientists believe is more easily transmitted. Complicating this is the fact that many patients have only minor symptoms, or none at all, and don't know they're spreading COVID-19 until it's too late. Besides that, the low testing rate contributed to the outbreak too. When some countries were following the latest practices in fighting COVID-19 by conducting mass testing, because they were more worried about false negatives entering the population and triggering spread. Taiwan government decided to do the other way round. Taiwan CDC justified several times last year, by saying that mass testing would increase the risk of false positives, wasting medical resources. Lack of investment in rapid testing has led to lots of backlogs that obscure the true extent of the outbreak. According to Our World in Data, Taiwan was administering just 0.9 virus tests per 1,000 people on May 31. In Australia the number is 2.8, while in Singapore, it's 11.6. Many countries know that testing is critical when you don't have enough vaccine, and it can help to know where and how fast the virus is spreading, but the Taiwanese government just responded that it was wasting medical resources. The low vaccination rate, and the short supply of vaccines were the other major reasons that COVID-19 has spiked so quickly in Taiwan recently. Taiwan's success in containing COVID for more than a year, caused Taiwanese people to hesitate to get vaccinated in the absence of a clear and present viral threat. As of June 4, 2021, only around 3% of the population has received at least one dose of COVID-19 vaccine, in contrast to the US and Australia, where around 51% and 17% have been vaccinated respectively. As known, the process of advance purchasing is well established in the pharmaceutical industry. Many countries know COVID-19 vaccination will be an important tool to help stop the pandemic, so early purchase of vaccines is important and buying more is better, just in case. However, Taiwan government is betting big on its domestically developed vaccines, making it less ready to react fast to buy overseas vaccines. So, with the lack of vaccines, when the second wave of COVID hit Taiwan, Taiwan failed to bring its COVID-19 outbreak under control, and is now paying the price for a lack of vaccines. Taiwan model for combating COVID-19 reminds the world to not repeat the same mistake. When the country is facing the vaccine shortage, Foxconn founder and other organizations have also offered for vaccine donation. However, their requests haven't gotten approval from Taiwanese authorities. Luckily on June 4, 1.24 million doses of AstraZeneca vaccine from Japan arrived in Taiwan. This was the largest amount of vaccines Taiwan received so far. This can help Taiwan to fight against the virus, especially during the tough times Taiwan is facing in the pandemic, and amid the global shortage of vaccine supplies. In response to increasing level of community transmission, Taiwan raised its COVID-19 alert level for Taipei City and New Taipei City to level 3, and strengthened national restrictions and measures, effective from May 15 to May 28. After the announcement, a slogan "Look World, Taiwan will only show you once, how to remove a level 3 alert in 2 weeks, was shared widely by some of the Taiwanese people on different social media. However, on May 19, Taiwan raised its epidemic warning to level 3 nationwide, from May 19 to May 28, and strengthened measures and restrictions introduced across the island to reduce community transmission. On June 7, Taiwan's nationwide level 3 alert for COVID-19 was extended to June 28. Taiwan's government wasted almost a year, preparing for a large-scale outbreak of the epidemic. President Tsai Ing-wen once said humble, humble, and humble again, but now the bubble has burst. The good thing is most Taiwanese people are more cautious than their government. Let hope Taiwan can overcome this pandemic just like how they beat SARS and H1N1. No one nation alone can stop this pandemic. No one is safe until everyone is safe, so stay safe everyone. Let us know in the comment down below if you have any different opinions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and share them with people you know. See you in our next video. Bye.